Welcome to my channel Simple Gardening. Today we will be discussing on how to prune an eggplant. Eggplant, it is one of the most world's favorite vegetable. It has several different names in different countries. USA, Australia, New Zealand, Canada call it as an eggplant. UK, Ireland call it as aubergine. And India, South Asia and South Africa call it as brinjal. Not only the different names this plant has, it also has many different varieties. You can see here there are green eggplants, purple long, purple round, black beauty, yellow brinjal, white brinjal, green. So every variety has a peculiar taste and flavor. Whatsoever the variety is, wherever it is being grown, either in a container or else on the land, the eggplant requires pruning at least once in a year. If you see here, this is my 3-year-old eggplant, and every year I'll be doing a hard pruning, like I'll be cutting till the base of the plant, and I'll get new flowers and fruit every year. Okay, now let us see how to prune and what are the benefits of pruning. For example, I'll be showing 2 of my pots which is containing these eggplants. Usually the eggplants can be grown from 10-inch pot to 16-inch pot, but the most recommended pot size is the 12-inch diameter pot. Growing different eggplant varieties in almost 10 pots. For time being, I am showing pruning on these 2 plants. If you see here, the plant towards my right is looking a bit healthier, and towards my left is completely withered away. I'll explain to you. This plant is being infested with stem borer, whereas this plant is being infested with red ants. Yes, as this is summer, red ants require some sort of cool climate or cool environment. So what they have done is they had nested in my pot. Meanwhile, they need food and they started eating off my plant. Okay, now I'll show you how to prune the plant. Before pruning, we all should know that our scissors or else the pruning scissors should be very clean. They need to be sanitized either with ethyl alcohol or at least an hand sanitizer, because we are cutting open. Pruning is nothing but cutting off the branches of this plant. So during this time, as the plant will be open for diseases and viruses, so if the pruning scissors is not clean, this will be a vector for many diseases onto the plants. Next, what should we prune on a particular plant? First thing, dried branches, diseased branches, pest infested branches, unproductive branches, and at the most, if you want to make it into a nice topiary shape, then even productive branches also should be cut off. Okay, if you see this, my withered plant, I am completely pruning off all the branches, and I hope this will rejuvenate. Whereas this plant is being infested with stem borer, so I am just removing off the branches which are being infested, and this is called as minimum pruning. Whereas what I did for the withered plant is hard pruning. Pruning a plant helps and improves new leaf growth, new branch growth, new flowers and new fruits, as it helps in maintaining hygiene conditions for the plant in the pot or else on the ground. If you see here, I have done very minimal pruning. So whereas this one, it's a bit hard pruning. Always remember, if you prune your container plants, try to keep them in a shady place for 1 or 2 days, because we are cutting off the branches or stems. It takes the plant into very high stress. So in this situation, we need to put them under shade, and if it is possible, try to spray neem oil, because it helps to prevent any sort of invasion of diseases or bacteria into the plant. So that's it for this day. Thanks for watching, and Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.